Yeah.
No, eventually Saturday.
This guy just ran to the train and his phone been inside the track. He just put the hand and take it out and climb up this train.
Really?
Crazy. So we have to keep other way around, otherwise the flesh going out like a
Really?
still alive.
I want to buy them and put them. How much?
£1, he said. But the bluefin tuna got the black color. But they have poison meal, very painful. Bone and all flesh outside. Middle bone.
Do you hear that? £2 for 1 kilo.
The cut fish over there, that's the one we call the seal, as you can see.
Marlin. Marlin here.
A big barracuda. Yeah.
Oh, like that.
First day you like this, second day. And you can imagine. Other side it get bad.
Yes.
So they have to dry both sides the cricket pitch. Same way we cover with the cup. Then they put salt one night, second day.
That's not a good job.
Very hard.
Muscles. So they have to take the skin off. Wow.
Come on with us all.
The bigger ones they turn one by one.
Yeah.
How many hours?
Yeah.
Well, this is not nice
Yeah.
because it's from the big boats.
Saudi Parum.
Ito bari ini nih. Careful. Video.
No.
See which one's coming.
Oh, it came back. Same one came back with the puppy. Hello. Robert. It's quite young.
Yeah.
There's stuff on their face. They've got it. And there.
In
Oh.
Oh, so we have a